Are you ready to unlock an ancient health secret? Drinking garlic water daily can transform your well-being. From boosting skin health to enhancing athletic performance, garlic water is packed with surprising benefits for your body. Today, we'll explore 10 ways this simple drink can impact your life. Stay tuned, and you may want to start your garlic water routine today. First up, let's talk about your skin. The allicin in garlic fights acne, causing bacteria effectively. When you drink garlic water, it helps clear up breakouts naturally. It also improves blood flow, giving your skin a healthier glow. Garlic water can also boost your sexual health. It improves blood circulation to vital organs, enhancing libido. In both men and women, this boost in blood flow can increase desire. It's a natural way to support a healthy, intimate life. Now, let's talk about hair health. Garlic is rich in nutrients that strengthen and nourish your hair. It contains vitamins B6 and C, known for promoting hair growth. Drinking garlic water may help reduce hair loss over time. Did you know garlic benefits your eyes too? The antioxidants in garlic protect your eyes from oxidative stress. This supports eye health and may reduce the risk of eye conditions. Garlic even boosts glutathione, an antioxidant vital for vision health. One of garlic water's best-known benefits is heart health. It reduces bad cholesterol and helps lower blood pressure naturally. By improving cardiovascular function, garlic supports a healthy heart. If you're concerned about heart health, garlic water is worth trying. Garlic is also an excellent immunity booster. Its allicin content fights off bacteria and harmful microbes. Drinking garlic water strengthens your body's defenses against illness. It's especially helpful for warding off colds and flu. Are you someone who loves to exercise? Garlic water can improve your athletic performance. It's known to reduce fatigue and enhance stamina over time. In fact, ancient athletes used garlic to boost their endurance. So, how do you make this powerful drink? It's easy. Start by crushing a clove of garlic. Let it sit for 10 minutes to release its active compounds. Then, mix it with a glass of warm water and drink it daily. Adding garlic water to your routine is simple but powerful. From clearer skin to stronger immunity, the benefits are immense. Let's recap what garlic water can do for you. It fights acne, enhances sexual performance, and boosts hair health. It protects your eyes, supports heart health, and strengthens immunity. Plus, it improves your athletic performance and reduces fatigue. Garlic water is a natural way to support overall wellness. With so many benefits, it's worth giving this ancient remedy a try. So, why not start your garlic water journey today? Who knows, this simple habit could transform your health in big ways.